Yeah, this is the SCX Compact Loopinator slot car racing set. Yeah, on this slot car set, it comes with two race cars, both the Porsche Carrera 911. You have your controllers. It comes in like 4 layouts. And this set has the loops on it. The other slot car set that they had here at Wilson's didn't have the loops on it. Came out with 2 Audi cars. And this slot car set is an electric set. It comes with the power pack that you plug into the wall outlet, or like a transformer. And this is a 1/43 scale slot car track. Yeah, the Carreras are like the 1/24, 1/3 scale. But this slot car track's the 1/43 scale. And I did like slot car racing when I was a kid. I had a whole pile of slot car racing sets, like Tyco, Artin. I didn't have Life by Walters or Carrera. But on this SCX slot car track, you can race SCX cars on it, Artin cars, and Carrera cars on a track. And in 2017, when I get myself back into slot car racing, I'm thinking of getting a NASCAR slot car set or a Formula 1 slot car track. And I think this one's an electric slot car set. You have your lap counter, turbo hand throttle, and looping track. And let's take a look at the contents in the box. So you have a number 4 is the curved track, 111 the straight ones, the lap counter track, the terminal curve. I think that's the loop ones. And this is the power pack, controllers, and the 2 Porsche slot cars. Yeah, I think this is a pretty good slot car racing set. This is a pretty good layout with a loop on it. And you can set up the 4 other layouts too. At a slot car racing set I got November 1996. The last one I bought was an Artin Double Dual Speedway. Comes with 2 layouts. But this one has 4 circuits to win, 4 layouts. With 2 of the Porsche models. And they have another slot car set with the Audi ones. That one didn't have the loops on it. Yeah, I gotta get myself back into slot car racing somewhere down the road. So this is a video of the SCX Compact Loopinator slot car racing set. Thanks for watching. Bye.